Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to enable and disable notification on Trust Wallet application. If you want to turn on and off notification on Trust Wallet, launch open the Trust Wallet application first. After you are inside the home page of Trust Wallet, click on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to click notifications. If you've turned off notification for Trust Wallet, then it will show you the gray button right next to enable notifications. To turn on the notification settings so that you could be alerted about price changes, market updates, and so on, toggle on the button right next to enable notification, and in the pop-up, click allow. Soon after you do that, you will be able to turn on notification setting so that you will receive alerts for things like incoming or outgoing transactions depending on what the app supports. If you ever want to turn off notification, then all you need to do is to get to this page and toggle the button off, and this will remove all of the notifications you may receive from Trust Wallet. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.